Home-style eggplant parmesan is one of our family's favorites. I think what makes it so special is that when you peel the eggplant and thinly slice it and bread it in egg and Italian breadcrumbs, it has a better taste than when it's breaded in flour like a lot of restaurants do. I'm lucky enough to have a deli nearby that sells the eggplant already made. I use a jar of my favorite spaghetti sauce with 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using about 1.5 pounds of breaded and fried eggplant. I hear my Aunt Jenny calling me a cheater right now. I like to use Kraft's shredded mozzarella because it's lactose free. This is the easy part. Now you just add a little bit of spaghetti sauce on the bottom of the pan and you just layer your eggplant. Place it in side by side like a puzzle, preferably all facing the same direction. Then add your spaghetti sauce again. Be generous with the sauce. Add some mozzarella. It's nice when it's already shredded. Then just repeat the layering process till you run out of ingredients. There's no Parmesan cheese in this recipe, but there's Parmesan cheese in the breadcrumbs. If you like to have crispy edges, use a wider pan and only do a few layers. I refrigerate it for a few hours so the flavors can combine. I bake it at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes until the cheese is melted and the eggplant's warm. Special thanks to my Aunt Jenny, my mom, and my Aunt Larisa for always taking out the time to make this delicious dish. It tastes even better on the second day if it lasts that long. Check out my description box below for some alternate ideas. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.